This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Michelle Carter Smith. Are you looking to be a part of the desirable Corbett community? Wanting a front row seat for the popular July 4th parade? This historic 1923 home on a quarter-acre lot has been restored and is move-in ready. This 4-bedroom, 2 full-bath home offers multi-generational living in the heart of the community. Located within walking distance to the main school campus, the Corbett Post Office, the Corbett Market, and access to I-84. Corbett High School was ranked number 8 in Oregon by U.S. News & World Report in 2025. The property offers a partially fenced front and a fully fenced backyard, a single-car garage, an additional carport, a 10-by-16 outbuilding for storage, and an 8-by-9 storage shed that was once used as a chicken coop. Mature plants on the property include a magnolia, wisteria, and plum tree. There is plenty of space for a large garden. Invite friends and family to your home. There is plenty of paved parking on the property and on the road in front. Also, RV parking is available. The house offers ample living space and storage in the unfinished attic. The living room has a bay window with a seat that brings in plenty of daylight. The family room also has numerous windows to bring in natural sunlight, and it opens to a covered back deck. The modern kitchen offers numerous cabinets and all appliances. There is currently a tenant in the basement who is paying $1,100 per month. She would like to stay on, but has been given a 90-day notice. All appliances upstairs and downstairs are included. 2 refrigerators, a stove, 2 washers, and 2 dryers. Come and be a part of the Corbett community. Just 20 minutes to PDX and 40 minutes to downtown Portland. Head the opposite direction and play in the Gorge. Numerous hiking and biking trails, as well as beautiful waterfalls. For more information, review the details below.